everyone! Myra here and welcome to another video. For today, gagawin ko na naman ng bagong makeup look. Itong Beauty Glazed Uranus palette. And if last time yung look na na-create ko is more loud and intense, this time I want to create a look na pwedeng irampa sa labas on an everyday. So, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. I do beauty reviews and makeup tutorials every week. So if you're interested in those videos, be sure that you're subscribed. So, to start off, for my moisturizer, gamitin ko tong 28th Street Witch Hazel Facial Mist. Ito siya. So, ito yung current na facial mist na tinatry ko ngayon. This will serve as my moisturizer for today. And then, habang pinapatuyo ko yan, gagawin ko na yung aking kilay. And for my kilay, I'll be using the EB Advance Eyebrow Kit. This one. Ayan, sobrang tagal na nito sa akin. Ang tagal niyang maubos. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng powder na pangkilay or pangkilay na product na matagal maubos at saka sulit na sulit, I highly recommend that you give this a try. Next, for my foundation, I'll be using this BLK All Day Matte Foundation in the shade Sand. Then, gagamitin ko tong O2O na sponge because I'm currently testing this out. And gusto ko siyang gamitin with different foundations para makita ka talaga kung okay siya and kung hindi ako magkakaroon ng problema sa kanya. For my concealer, I'll be using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. To set my face, I'll be using this Need to Know Final Powder in the shade Ivory Glow. Next, punta na tayo sa eyes. I will first use this brown shade right here. Ayan, kuha lang tayong konti. Ang dami niyang napipick up na product ko. So, what I do is, I tap dito sa takip para ma-diffuse yung product. Ayan, mini-iwan siya doon. Oh. And then, yan yung ilalagay ko sa aking crease area. Then, with a clean, fluffy brush, I'll help blend it out. This small blending brush, gagamitin ko tong green shade right here. And then, ilalagay ko lang siya sa crease line. So, i-concentrate ko lang siya dun sa line. For me, this is a very good trick if you are intimidated with bold colors and hindi mo alam kung saan sila ilagay so that it won't shout out too much, alam mo yon. Maganda siyang ilagay, lalo na pag matte shade. Ilagay nyo siya dun mismo, i-concentrate nyo lang siya doon sa may crease line. In that way, pag dumilat kayo, yung shade na yon parang just barely peeking through lang sa mata nyo. Hindi siya masyadong intimidating sa mata. What I'm gonna do next is babalikan ko yung brush na ginamit ko kanina sa transition. And then, I will blend the two colors together. Then, I'll be taking this parang moss green na shimmer shade because it's a good blend of brown and green. So, gagamitin ko lang yung fingers ko. Grabe, this is very soft and buttery. Ayan. And then, ilalagay ko siya sa lids. With a smudger brush, kukunin ko lang yung brown shade and then ilalagay ko siya sa lower lash line. eyes are done. Maglalagay lang ako ng liner and mascara and I will be back. Tapos tayo sa eyes. Move on na tayo sa face. For the contour, I'll be using Aura Contour in the shade For Sure. For my blush, I'll be using this peachy pink shade from Daiso. As you can see, I've already hit pan kasi I really love this shade. Next, for my highlighter, I will be using this Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Rose Gold. Next, for my lips, I'm keeping it neutral with Maybelline Mauve for Me. So this is our final look. I really love how it turned out. It's a more subtle way of wearing green. And pwede mo siyang gamitin sa... I feel like I can wear this halimbawa sa office, yung ganyan. Kasi hindi siya masyadong loud and hindi siya masyadong intimidating suotin. Very subtle lang. So what do you think, guys? Did you like it? If you did like it, please give this video a thumbs up. And kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, be sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. You may also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
No, no, no.